Hi guys, welcome back to the garage. Me and Victor here. I am gonna do an unboxing. I saw this on the Tiger's Abyss on Zach's channel and absolutely fell in love with it. And I have the Revelations Tarot. So I am so excited about this. I saw um, Zach do an unboxing on his channel, and I just had to get this deck because to me it sort of spoke of vice versa tarot. I'm not sure though. I got to get into it here and see what the book says, if it's reversals. I thought also, I don't know, I don't read reversals. When I did tarot back in the day, I read reversals, but now I don't read them. There's my temple bells. Now I don't read them because looking at the card upside down, I find confusing. It's very confusing to my brain. I need actually something to look at, and I think that's what this is about. So this is Llewellyn, from Llewellyn. You know, good Llewellyn box with the magnetic. I love these boxes. We have the book on top, of course. Book on top. The little ribbon. And then, yeah, the deck of cards in the center. So, oh, these are just gorgeous cards. Gorgeous, gorgeous cards. And I love I don't think they're all mirror images on the cards. But a lot of them are, I noticed. And that's what got my attention. So let me get into the book here and see what it says. Ah, a mirror for the soul. There we go. Tarot cards are much like mirrors. They reflect back to us an image of reality, but not reality itself. If a mirror is dusty, we cannot see ourselves clearly. If it is very old, it may be warped and reflect a distorted image. If we are struggling with our own inner demons, what we see in the mirror may be very different from the way others see us. Oh, I love it. It says here, each character portrayed in the major arcana wears a mask, indicating the archetypal qualities of the majors. The minor arcana cards are expressions of the four elements, earth, air, fire, water, and convey these qualities in the vibrant depictions of magicians, warriors, mermaids, and other mythic characters that help you turn tarot readings into rich narratives telling the story of your life. Is that adorable? Is that adorable? Okay, so, oh wow, he just gets right into it. There's the preface, and then he just goes right into the major arcana and the minors. So this is cool. So with the majors, you get, so that's the first page. You get a black and white small photo, and then so maybe 2.5 pages per major. Yeah, 2.5, 2 3/4 pages per major. And then the minors are just like, you know, a page and a quarter or a page and a half. So, or, yeah, page and 3/4. So, there's that. He really doesn't say too much about it. He has some spreads. Past, present, future, 4 elements. 7-day spread. The horoscope, we all know that one. So, yeah, not a whole lot new, but, I mean, it's all about the cards and the images and the symbolism. So, I like it. I like it. So, let's get into the cards. I'm so excited. Look, aren't these backs beautiful? They're just beautiful. All right, so here we have So here is the Fool. And then here is the mirror image. Is that freaking cool or what? So the Magician and the mirror image. I love these cards. So these are reversed meanings. I also think these cards I can read because there is a reversed image. As I said, my brain has problems calculating reversed images. I can't readily grasp the reverse meaning without a photo or some kind of illustration to give me a clue or to allow me to read into it. So these do that. So I'm hoping that maybe with working with these, I may be able to better get into the reversed meanings. Look at that strength. And then look at this one. These are fantastic. Wow. The cardstock is kind of I think. It's okay. They're bendy, they're thin. So I think they would warp really easily with riffle shuffling. Hanged Man. Oh, look at that. Oh, the skull. The skull. Rebirth. How awesome. Temperance. Some of the pictures have ever so slight changes on the reversed meaning or on the reversed picture, but it's still pretty cool. Noisy car. These are just gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this moon card. Wow. Wow. That's amazing. Oops. Just dropped the sun. Okay, those babies aren't quite creepy. I think they're better looking than some. So I actually like that depiction. Judgment. There's a lot going on in these cards. I mean, look at all the angels here on the side. And yeah, so there are definitely some details. And the world. So there's the majors. Now we're going to go through the minors. So the Ace of Cups. Wow. Two of Cups. Now see, this one isn't too much different. So not all of them reflect large changes. So what's different? the expression, the facial expression is different. So these cards are definitely unique, which I appreciate very much. And I love having, you know, the illustrations on one half, and then you turn it around and you get a mirror image that's not really a mirror image completely. These are so cool. I like the whole feminine masculine thing that they're doing with the cards also. It usually seems to be if there's a male on top, there's a female on the bottom, and vice versa. Except for that card. Wow. Look at these. These are terrific. I'm trying to go through them so you guys can see them, but you know, I gotta go. It's like going through the deck twice. So there isn't much change, I don't think, on this one. Oh, right there. And then here's the hands crossed. See, so subtle differences. Subtle differences. I love that. I just love it. And it blends in so well together that when you're looking at it, you really don't notice the bottom part. I mean, it looks like he's just sitting on a throne, right? Until you turn it around. So, awesome. Of course, aces. The aces don't look like anything different much, except there's some space up here. Two of Pentacles. Pentacles always makes me think of Simon. So, I wonder. Lazy! Don't be lazy. 4. Oh, all right. Here we go. Ooh, looks like you're falling down a hole of some sort. Oh my. Looking for a hand up. I like that. These are wonderful. I love the richness of the colors that these have as well. They're just beautiful jewel tone. That's what they are. They're jewel tone colors. And they're even more stunning in person, truly, than they are on the screen. I don't know what to say, guys. I'm just mesmerized by looking at these cards myself here. I have to thank Tiger's Abyss for turning me onto these cards. These are just absolutely awesome. I will look forward to using these. Here we go. Ace of Swords. I've been trying to figure out if there's some kind of color coding between the suits, but it really doesn't look like it. They're all... All right, that's a Three of Swords I can get into, most assuredly. Wow. Yeah, because they all seem to have these jewel tones of the blues, the reds. They have greens, yellows. Wow. Fascinating. Ooh, reds. Reds and oranges. Ooh. Eyes closed. Eyes open. This is awesome. Look at these. These are just amazing, amazing cards. Ten of Swords. Wow. Both ways. Wow. That's telling. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Ooh. It's getting a little chilly out here in the garage. We got a breeze, and it's getting later in the afternoon, so it's getting a little more chilly. Wow. And the sun is no longer shining inside the garage, so last suit. The Ace of Wands. Oh, they are color-coded now that I'm seeing. Okay. So. That's interesting. Okay. 5. Ooh, I dropped it. Wow. 7 of Wands. Cards are amazing. 8. I hope I'm not going too fast. I really want to let you guys get a good look at this, but I'm starting to get cold out here in the spiritual garage. I've been lucky to be able to spend a few hours out here today, and it was so nice, but when the sun starts leaving the garage, it starts getting a little cool in here. I'm really just absolutely digging on these cards. The color alone is magnificent. And then to see the cards. Well, my King of Wands is stuck with something else. Ah, okay, here we go. King of Wands. Joyous and Stern. So there you go. He's also given you, he gives you a couple of spread cards here as well. So there you have it, guys. The Revelations Tarot, Zach Wong. I'm going to take a quick look here and see if there's any difference in colors here. or if they're all just kind of, well, no, because it looks like, okay, Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups. All right, it looks like the Cups suit is in this, most of it seems to be in this purple and blue hue. Most of it is in the purple and blue. So there's that. And then the pentacles seem to be mostly like green and yellow color is most of the cards. You've got some oddballs in there that have like the blue, but most of them, the prevalent is the yellow and the green on most of them. The swords suit is mostly blue and purple, I guess. No, like maybe red and purple. Red and purple would be the sword suit, you can see. So, and then the wand suit is mostly like red and orange colors. So, but it's gorgeous, a gorgeous, vibrant deck. I can't wait to take it for a spin and see what I get. And yeah, so much love, and I'll see you next time.